Alright, so this is the paint that I've used for these parts that you've seen. They're not perfect. Obviously, when I put this back in the car, the spring compressor is going to fuck it up. So I'm going to have to fix that up. But I've clear coated everything except for the spring. I don't think I'm going to clear coat that. It's no point. It's going to get messed up regardless. Yeah, so it's going pretty good. That's plastic. That's come up pretty nice. And that's the stuff that I used. Now, question is, am I going to rebuild this? Am I going to change the bushings and that? Fuck no. I just decided, I bought a whole new one of this. So, instead of spending hours on this, cleaning it up, changing the rubbers, I just bought a whole new one of this. And then I'm pretty sure I've got this rubber somewhere, but look at that. I also purchased the upper. So yeah, I'm glad I purchased this because I noticed this is riveted in there. So I'm glad I purchased this whole unit. I don't have to mess around with replacing that, replacing these. It's ready to go. So look at that. So almost ready to put back together. Alright, so I bought the whole front end suspension kit, and I like these better than this. So this doesn't have, obviously it's not a castle nut, and it doesn't have a hole for the split pin, whereas this one does. And this one is closer to the factory height than this one. So I'm gonna have to push this out and put that one. And it's got a grease nipple, which this one has no grease nipple. So, yeah. This one looks exactly like the factory one. So we just got to do that. This one looks okay. So that one, yeah.